What you'll usually see in a Reggio Emilia school. A true Reggio-inspired school often looks more like a thoughtful studio than a factory of activities. Materials are typically open-ended, rather than single-purpose. Instead of one craft with a predetermined result, children may work with paint, paper, shadow, natural objects, blocks, fabric, and recycled materials in ways that let them test ideas. Teachers do a great deal of observing and documenting. You may see photos, transcripts of children's words, sketches, and project panels that make learning visible. This documentation is not just decoration for parents. It helps teachers study how children think, revisit ideas with them, and plan what might come next. Projects are a major feature, but they are often misunderstood. A project in a Reggio school is not simply a themed unit that starts on Monday and ends with a cute bulletin board on Friday. It usually grows from children's interests, questions, or encounters in the environment. A study of shadows, bridges, birds, or maps might last weeks or months if the thinking remains alive. You are also likely to notice that the schedule leaves room for investigation. That can feel unusual in systems that prize speed and visible output. Reggio schools tend to value depth over rush. Children may revisit the same idea many times, each pass becoming more sophisticated.